Celebrating its 10th anniversary, Xiaomi launched Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro as their flagships at the start of 2020, and now recently they have announced Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro to rock as a mid-range smartphone. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox Mi 10T and provide you a quick overview of this piece. So stay connected till the end. Mi 10T comes in two different colors, which are silver and black, offering 6GB and 8GB of RAM and an internal storage of 128GB. The package I have right now is a 8GB of RAM variant with 128GB of storage in silver color. Let's head towards the box contents. Inside the box we have a lid on the top of our smartphone which have a SIM ejecting pin, a Type-C to 3.5mm converter which indicates the absence of headphone jack, some user manual guides, and a transparent soft TPU case with Xiaomi branding. A Type-C data cable which is orange from inside, and a power brick of 33 watts. Here are some key specs of this device, which are 64 megapixel AI camera, a 144Hz adaptive sync display, Snapdragon 865 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. So I'm done with this setup, and the first thing I'm noticing is this amazing smooth glossy back which only comes in this silver color. The black color of this device comes with a shiny reflecting back in which you can clearly see your face and also catches more fingerprint than this lunar silver color, so I'll prefer to go with this one. On the top we have our 3 sensors with an LD flash in this huge camera bump. I suggest you to use a case, otherwise you will easily scratch it. On this side we have our volume rockers and a power button with an embedded fingerprint. On the top we have our secondary microphone, a secondary speaker and an IR blaster. This side is completely clean. And on the bottom we have our speakers, primary microphone, a Type-C charging port and a SIM tray, where you have room for 2 SIM cards and no memory card. On the front you will have a huge 6.67 inches IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 and a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. HDR10 Plus and Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection is also there. I know some people will be complaining about the LCD display and some will be okay with the high refresh rate. As far as my preference is concerned, I'll go with the smoothness. Also, you can change the refresh rate according to your need, or if you want to save your battery, all you have to do is go to the setting, display and refresh rate. Here you can select between 60Hz, 90Hz and 144Hz. Talking about the power, we have an octa-core processor which is powered by 8GB of RAM and a 7nm top of the line Snapdragon 865 chipset. Here you can see the overall benchmark score of Mi 10T, and it appears to be a massive number at this price range. You can literally play every game at maximum graphics, and as you also have 144Hz display, you can avail the 90Hz refresh rate option in PUBG Mobile. Mi 10T comes with a 5000 mAh of battery which sports 33 watts of fast charging and unfortunately no wireless charging. A full charge of this device can easily provide you a battery backup for a day, and if you want to increase your battery performance, you can change your refresh rate from 144Hz to 60Hz. We have a triple camera setup on the rear side which comes with a 64 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. I wish there would be a depth sensor instead of 5 megapixel macro sensor. The rear camera records up to 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second. On the front we have a 20 megapixel wide sensor which can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. All in all, you'll get $1,000 smartphone's chipset, $1,000 smartphone's high refresh rate, $1,000 smartphone's camera, and all the essentials like face unlock, fingerprint unlock, dark mode, split screen, game turbo, dual stereo speakers, and a simplified user experience in $420. What's your thought on this device? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for future videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.